Hey everyone, today I've got a powerful story that resonates deeply with the fight for human rights and justice. Meet Obey Shava. He's not just any lawyer, he's a human rights warrior who's been to hell and back. Back in July 2023, Shava was brutally attacked and left for dead by unknown assailants. Yet here he is, standing tall and taking on none other than President Emmerson Mnangagwa in Zimbabwe's High Court. Why? Because Shava is fighting to compel the Zimbabwean government to ratify the UN Convention Against Torture. You see, Zimbabwe hasn't yet put in place strong anti-torture legislation, and Shava, who knows the horrors of torture firsthand, is demanding change. Represented by the well-known Tendai Biti, Shava's legal challenge isn't just about him. It's about every victim of torture in Zimbabwe who has been left without legal recourse. His case argues that Mnangagwa's inaction has fostered a culture of impunity. It's a culture that leaves victims to suffer in silence while perpetrators roam free. So, what's at stake here? Well, the High Court is set to hear Shava's case on September 23rd, and the outcome could significantly impact the human rights landscape in Zimbabwe. Imagine a country where torture is no longer swept under the rug, where victims get justice, and where the rule of law is upheld. That's the future Shava is fighting for. But he's not alone. This case has drawn attention and support from human rights advocates around the world, shining a spotlight on Zimbabwe's urgent need to align with international standards. By challenging the government to ratify the UN Convention Against Torture, Shava is demanding accountability and justice, not just for himself, but for all Zimbabweans. Now, let's break it down. Shava's lawsuit names Mnangagwa, Justice Minister Ziyambi, the Parliament of Zimbabwe, and the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission. He wants these entities to ratify the UN Convention and implement robust anti-torture laws. This is a crucial step towards ending the systemic abuse and offering protection to countless victims. This isn't just a legal battle, it's a moral one. Shava's efforts symbolize hope for many who have suffered in silence. His courage to stand up against the highest offices in the land is nothing short of inspiring. So what's next? All eyes are on the High Court. Will they side with Shava and take a stand against torture? Or will they maintain the status quo, leaving victims without a voice? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. Obey Shava's relentless pursuit of justice is sparking a much-needed conversation about human rights in Zimbabwe. Thanks for tuning in. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's keep the fight for justice alive. If you found this story compelling, share it, talk about it, and let's spread awareness. Until next time, take care.